Drawbacks of working in Malta. So in my previous video I explained all the amazing benefits of working there, but today I am going to share some facts that might scare you. But you don't have to worry, as I will also share some tips and tricks to deal with them. Our first point is permanent residency. If you are thinking of settling permanently in a foreign country, then Malta is not for you. It is a small country that has 300 kilometers square of area and has more than 5 lakh of population. So वो लोग जो वहाँ 7 से 8 साल से भी काम कर रहे हैं, even they find it difficult to get the permanent residency of Malta. So PR opportunity is quite impossible there, but you should not worry because I think your focus should be on exploring and getting these international experiences instead of settling at one place. So our next point is survival in a populated area. तो जैसा कि आप एक आइलैंड कंट्री में जा रहे हैं जहाँ की पॉपुलेशन वहाँ की लैंड के अकॉर्डिंग ज़्यादा है, so you will have to face traffic jams and roadblocks sometimes. Majorly, Malta consists of 3 major islands: Comino Island, Gozo Island and Malta itself. But still, during the time of summers, when a high number of tourists visit there, areas get crowded and congested because of narrow streets. For this, you can prefer traveling by bicycle, which will save you time and cost, and you won't have to be stuck in traffic jams at the same time. So our third point is jobs are available in different shifts. As there are restaurants and factories like places that are open 24 hours. यहाँ पर लोगों को morning shifts, evening shifts and even night shift में से भी काम करना होता है. Usually the timings are like 6 AM to 2 PM for morning shifts, 2 PM to 10 PM for evening shifts and 10 PM to 6 AM for night shifts. But for this I would say that there is no big deal to work in shifts as you have moved to another country to work for a better future, so you can definitely manage these things. You should just be passionate and you must know that how to manage your sleep and eating schedules. So our fourth point is high expenditures. That's a fact that salaries are comparatively high in Malta than India. But for instance, अगर एक cook इंडिया में 30,000 earn कर रहा है, then he can easily earn 1 lakh to 2 lakh in Malta. But similarly, the cost of living will also be high there. So you can't expect कि आप अपनी सारी earnings save कर लेंगे. You will also have to be prepared for expenditures too. So besides these factors, you will also have to be prepared for little adjustments. Like वहाँ पर hilly areas हैं, so you will have to walk a lot. वो एक island country है, so you will have to learn to swim if you have not learned yet. You will have to do your house chores by yourself because hiring a maid can be a bit expensive. So these were the little adjustments, but I think these are manageable and you can do it. So my intention with this video was not to scare you but make you aware. I hope the tips I shared with you will also be helpful for you. Let us know in the comments if you have any doubts related to this video, and thanks for watching.